Good marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. If you want to succeed, you gotta have a plan. So for today's marketing tip, we're gonna be talking about how you can create a content calendar. Consistency is one of the most important aspects of success on social media. The days of one-off viral content are pretty much over. Instead, platforms like to promote what they call content creators, which is a fancy way of saying people that they can rely on to post engaging content regularly. A content calendar is going to be your roadmap to success. It's not only going to act as a daily reminder to make sure you're pursuing your marketing goals, but it's also going to give you a bird's eye view to see where your marketing is headed. First step is to get yourself a calendar, either physical or digital, and figure out how often you want to be posting. When you're figuring out this number, try to be realistic, but also get out of your comfort zone. If you normally post a couple times a week, maybe try every day. If you normally post every day, maybe try a couple times a day. You want to push yourself, but you also want to remember that frequency is good, but consistency is better. The next step is to build up your content bank. This can easily be done by just setting aside one afternoon a month to focus on your marketing. Sit down and write a list of topics that you can post about later. Pre-make graphics, edit photos, write captions. You can even save interesting posts that other professionals have shared that you can share later. After you've created your content, plug which pieces you want to go when in your calendar and start to schedule them using a third-party app. I'm not going to go into these apps at the moment, but just know they're there, they're a Google search away, but the main point is to again spend one day of the month, schedule your content, and then let the internet think that you're there posting every day. Lastly, review your content calendar and compare it with your analytics. After you've posted consistently for a while, you're going to start seeing some trends. Don't be afraid to try something different. Try more of what works well. This is valuable data that you can use to make your marketing more effective. As always, there's a lot more on the subject we can talk about, but I hope this at least got you thinking about your marketing and maybe taking that next step in your marketing strategy. Hope to see you again next week. Take care.